I used to be just like you, and I would waste probably hours scrolling on make.com trying to figure out what is a webhook, how do you integrate it with your AI agent, and everything in between. And it was just such a headache until I found this new way that actually fixed all of my issues. And this is what I've been strictly focusing on for the past months, if not for a long time now. And I'm telling you, this is the new way, and I would not go back to make.com if I were you. For all of you uneducated folks out there, I'll show you quickly what a make.com automation is and how complicated it actually looks. If you don't know what you're looking at, you'll have no idea what this is. But I'll show you. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna switch to my computer.
Why can't I see myself? What the fuck? What the hell, man? Oh, maybe I can see myself. What the fuck? Wait. Anyway, guys, so we're back here. We're on my computer now, so I apologize if everything looks terrible. But we're looking at a webhook here. This is in make.com. So the webhook is this red thing that I'm moving around. That's what connects to your AI agent. And you guys probably know what I'm talking about. If you're building AI agents, this is what you use. You use stuff like this in N8N, Zapier, or make.com. And as you can see, there's a lot of moving parts, and this isn't necessarily what you would use for your specific agent, but it looks something like this. And all you need to know is that all of this is unnecessary, and you can bypass all of this via, it's called MCP. It is the new way to get your tools access to your AI agent. First of all, let's define what an MCP is. And just so you guys know, we're going completely uncut. We're doing this raw here. Pause. But so we're gonna look up MCP.
Sorry guys, I'm gonna interrupt the video real quick. The video is geeking really bad from here on out, so I apologize. But you can still get the information easily out of the video, and I please advise you to do so. You just have to look past the fact that it's like bugging really bad.
What is MCP? Okay, I don't know why I looked up Appify MCP. That's not really what we want. We're gonna look up Model Context Protocol because that's what it stands for. Model. Okay. What is Model Context Protocol? Basically, in a nutshell, enables seamless communication between AI models and external data sources. So what that's saying, guys, what that is saying is that it gives your agent access to tools seamlessly. It didn't really specify how, but it's just a protocol. It's not a particular way. It's just the idea of your AI agent getting access to these tools. Okay, so it's a little bit hard to wrap your head around, but I'll show you a specific way that I use myself, and it's been working for me, on how to give my agent access to a Google Calendar. And this is for all you guys out there who are making voice agents, really any type of like booking agents or anything that has to do with business. Really, chances are you're booking appointments because that's how you get money. So this could be utilized by you, and I would utilize this if I were you because, like I said, it makes everything much more simple. So I'll show you that right now. Okay, so here we are on Appify. If you guys don't know what this is, I'm sorry I'm using all this stuff that you guys have no clue what it is, but basically what it is like Facebook Marketplace for things like this, for MCP tools and other internet tools, essentially. So this is one that I've been utilizing, and I'm not gonna cap, guys, I made it, but that's why I've been utilizing it, because it works, and I tailored it specifically for this use case. So I know for a fact, and I can say with confidence because I'm the one who made it, that this stuff works. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, basically, I'm gonna show you like really quickly how to integrate it. If you want to actually see an in-depth video, you can go look at my last video that I posted. It should be the only other video that is posted as of right now, if you look right now. So I'll link that right here. We'll see if that actually works. I don't know. But yeah, so let me give you a little bit of tutorial really fast. All right, boom, here we are, Retail AI. For all of you who don't know, this is the AI platform that you create your voice agents on. So if you're into creating like AI voice agents for, I don't know, like receptionists, like to like replace a receptionist or something, this is what you would use. And what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you how I would use the MCP in here. So typically you would insert a function, right? And then you would connect to that function with your make.com automation. Like I was saying before, that is the previous way how to do it. So just so you guys see, we previously, not how we're going to do it right now, but previously you'd go into functions, you would add a custom function, and then you would add all these parameters. Like you would add the URL. From that URL, you would get this. I don't know, you get a URL from here, right? Anyway, point is, I don't have to explain all this because this isn't really the point of the video. The point of the video is to show you guys that stuff is really complicated and this stuff is not complicated. So let me get to the not complicated stuff because that's what really matters. So we're going to go into MCP, right? Model Context Protocol. I already have it added. Well, I have two of them added here because I made a video on it. But basically, when I look into what I actually made here, this is the URL. The thing that I'm highlighting, my API is in there. I'm not going to share it. Sorry, guys. But basically, I'll share it. Whatever. So we're going to look at this. I'm resetting my API. Don't worry. But we're going to look at this URL here. All it is right here the part that I'm highlighting, that is the actual thing I showed you earlier inside of Appify. So this highlighted part, that is this URL right here. And that's all you have to do. You take this URL and you put it into retail, and that's it. Okay? Guys, it doesn't get more simple. Like I don't know, I'm not saying that you guys are dumb for using make.com, but I'm saying you would be missing out on a large opportunity if you still were using make.com. Because it truly is that simple. I have created everything that you need on the back end so you guys can be able to integrate this via URL, and that is it. That is it. Okay? So if I were you, I would check out my video on how to actually integrate this, like the step-by-step tutorial, because truly you need this. Okay? And as you can see here under tools, boom, right there, visible. It's visible right here as a tool. So it'll create a Google Calendar. If I ask retail, it'll just be like, actually, matter of fact, let me do it right now. Create me a booking for tomorrow at 2. Yeah, create the booking. Time zone is EST, Eastern Standard Time. Create the booking. Boom. It's created, guys. That's it. And the reason why I was tripping out is because there's no prompt in here. Okay, it has nothing to do with the tool. So if you mix the tool with a properly prompted AI, it'll work like a human, even better than a human. Guys, you don't understand. This is it. This is literally it, guys. I made everything for you. All you have to do is sit here and use it. It's free. It's actually free. Like, check out the video. Check out the video.
Thank you all for watching the video to the end. If you actually watched to the end of this, you're a G for looking past the whole video, just bugging out the entire time. I apologize, really. I'm sorry. So if you made it to the end, please give me comments down below. Please check out the other video that I've been referencing. I'll link it also in the comments. And yeah, stay tuned, and I'm gonna keep posting stuff like this. Maybe uncut, maybe not. Maybe I'll try to put a little bit more time into it, but this is the raw, uncut version, which I think some people enjoy. So I enjoy making it. And let me know what you guys think.